Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. So in this video, we have a E-Class. This is an E350 AMG line. I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big ugly box and replace it with something a bit smaller. We're also going to talk a little bit about lucky plates. So we've got these to put on the car, and I'll show you how to do that using our signature brackets. Let's get into it. So this is the E350, it's an AMG line. I believe that the E200, E350, there's going to be an AMG line variant. So as long as you have an AMG line, this will work. And the idea is to take this box off, replace it with something a little bit smaller that goes onto the car, and then you can attach whatever plate you want onto it. So this one is a very rare lucky plate in Victoria. It comes in a beautiful painted box like this. Now, this lucky plate is actually the same as a signature plate. It's the same dimension, same frame. So today we have our signature S1 bracket in a slimline format. We're going to use this to get the plates onto the car with the help of our redesigned clips. So first thing you're going to do is just take everything off the car with the screws that you see. So number plate followed by 3 Phillips head screws. Installing a miniature plinth is very easy. There's already a little nub that fits into the factory hole, and the back of it is actually molded to the shape of the car. So if you just line up the hole and push against the car, it self-locates like that, and it doesn't really go anywhere. So all you're going to do now is mark out the hole, put a little pre-drill hole in there, followed by a screw, and that will be secure. So let's spend a second to talk about lucky plates. Now, these are quite special and quite rare. Now, people often ask, hey Chris, do you have a product that suits my lucky plate? And the answer is yes, because signature plates, they're actually the same frame, they're just lengthened. So if you look behind it, you'll see that the channeling is the same, the dimensions are the same. This is also true for a few other ones like Formula 1 plates, and I think AFL plates are also framed in the same frame. So all you gotta do is grab a signature plate, bracket that is, and these will clip in just like the signature plates. This I've already set up with the correct clips, so all I've gotta do now is mount this to the car and then simply clip the plate on and secure it with the 2 grub screws on the bottom. Now you might be thinking, well, what about the hole left behind from the box? Well, part of the delete kit, you get these little plugs with a screw and they plug up the hole, so you're not left with like a blank empty hole doing nothing. And there you go, that's how you get rid of the big oversized Mercedes mounting box with our delete kit, and how to get on lucky plates using our signature bracket. Now just remember, the delete kit is car specific, so make sure you choose the right one for your car. And also the bracket is to suit number plate styles, so be it signature, lucky or slimline. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.